And the fifth position in this category goes to tag number 3232, Satyanarayana Raju Katari from India. In this category goes to tag number 4040, Abdul Ghani Yunusov from Uzbekistan. The third position in this category goes to tag number 3131, Hussein Tajik from Iran. The silver medal or the second position in this category goes to tag number 3939, Israel Tornisov from Uzbekistan. And the winner of this category, tag number 3434, Abdul Wahid of Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the national anthem of Pakistan. Thank you.